Can't take screenshot on your Samsung phone because of a security policy? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem easily. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check specific app permission. Press and hold on any specific app like Facebook, then tap on the eye icon. After that, tap on permissions. If you didn't allow the camera before to capture, then make sure to allow the camera. To do that, find out camera, tap on it. Now select allow only while using the app. Solution 2. Reset all settings. Go to settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap general management. Now scroll down again. Tap reset. Scroll down once again. Now tap reset all settings. Then tap reset settings. Again, tap reset. Wait for a while. If you still have the same problem, then you can also try this solution. Solution 3. Use Google Assistant. Open Google Assistant. Now say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot." Then your assistant will capture the screen. That's all for now. I hope this video helped you. Please like the video if you did. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.